In this video, I will show you 3 different ways to sync your audio with your video. So I got a separate audio clip here. You can hear on the camera. We need to go back to where you could select a device and select a smartphone. The sound quality here is quite good, but at the same time I got a video of the same. Turn on your location with not a very great audio quality. So the first method is to go to your project and then select the video and then hold the control key and select the audio. Once you have selected both the clips, right click on it and select merge clips. In the merge clips you have different options, but make sure you have selected the audio option. In this way, Premiere Pro would understand automatically to sync the audio of the 2 clips. Once this is checked, click on OK. It will start processing the 2 clips, and once it's done, it creates a new clip for you with the same name as the first one, and it's called merged. Now if you drag and drop it to your timeline, and when you start playing on the camera, we need to go back to where you could select the device and select. You can see that the 2 audios are synced. Let's delete this. So the second method would be to bring the first clip in and then bring the audio clip, place it as close to each other as possible, manually sync it as close as possible. Once it's approximately in the same line, it doesn't have to be perfectly aligned, then select the first clip and then hold the shift and select the second one. Now right click and select synchronize. Here, just like we did the last time, make sure audio is selected. It doesn't matter which track you select here, just click on OK and it will do almost the same thing as it done on the first method. And you can see it moved the audio in a way that both the audios would match and it syncs. Where you could select the device and select a smartphone. So the third method is to synchronize the audio and the video manually. Sometimes it's useful to do that, especially if you don't have any audios on one of the clips. First you need to bring the clips on and put them under each other. Try to increase the height as much as you can. That will help to make the waves as visible as possible. Now all we need to do is to move the audio in line with the top audio, and I have clapped my hands so that I will get a sharp rise in the noise. So if you fiddle around as much as you can with your cursor, and once you're quite happy, so select the audio clip and then hold the Alt and then press dot or full stop to move forward, and then press comma to move it backwards until it's synced. Now if I play it on the camera, it is synced. Then you could delete the audio from the poor quality recording. To do that, right click on that, click on unlink, and now the video and audio are unlinked, and just select the audio and press delete. Now to link the audio to the video that we like, select the audio, hold the shift to select the next one, and then right click and then click on link. Now these 2 are linked, so if you move, they move together. So you can bring this up and not to be worried.